Hello everyone. You see this nice and lovely crochet hairstyle I made? I made this crochet hair. It just took me 2 hours in finishing the whole of this look, okay? And I bought this hair. It's not expensive hair. I bought it on AliExpress. I'm going to share the link with you guys. If you want to see how I achieved this beautiful look, please don't go away. Keep watching, okay? So I've already done this side and this side off camera, okay? I'm just going to go straight and show you how I make the rest. Using for my butter to keep my hair also protective in my style, okay? Focusing more on my ends. If you have gel and you want to use gel, you can use gel to just let all this small hair inside, but I don't want to apply any gel on my edges, so I'm going to use this thread. And you see, just make this front with thread. I have never tried this method before, but I just want to try it and see how it works. I'm trying to grow back my edges. You see, I'm not being so harsh. It's not tight. Just this way, and then cut it like this out. That's all. And again, where is my thread? So using again my thread. You don't need this if you know you can make your front very clean, okay? So, and then taking this one, just that way. I make the thread only on my edges, okay? Using this one as my third partner. So again, taking this one, you just make sure you're not doing your hair too tight, okay? Because tight crochet hairstyle can be very painful. Oh. So I'm done with my front. I don't know what is wrong with the back of my hair, but it's so bad, so bad. I don't like it at all. Can you see that? So I'm going to use this extension hair to weave the back. And your back side must not be perfect, okay? So joining these ones together, not doing anything again special. And again, nothing special. So I'm just connecting all of these two in one, okay? So the back is not going to be big and small like the front. I'm not using mirror to make the back of my hair. I'm just trying to feel it, okay? I'm just feeling it with my hands, but I don't have a mirror anywhere around here, okay? And as well assisting myself with the camera. This shea butter mix, oh my god, it's so good. You know, this hair I can carry it for 3 months if I want to, but I don't carry my hair that long. And after you lose your hair will still be so much moisturized because of this mixed butter I made. Okay, you can as well add hair grease in your butter mix. Have you guys ever tried that? Please let me know if you have ever tried mixing grease in your hair butter. It works so well, so good. This is my last one. What is happening here with my hair? Did you just see what I've done here? I joined this side and this side together. Left with only this one. I'm done. I know my back is not perfect, but it doesn't matter, okay? Because at the end, nobody is going to see this back. So it doesn't matter at all. Front is clean, that is good, but back can be anyhow. So I'm just going to get my thread and sew this together. You can as well crochet it, but I think sewing it will be more better. It's going to look more flatter, so I'm going to sew it together. So I'm just going to apply my coffee groot oil all over my scalp, okay? If you are wondering, this is how this hair look like, okay? I'm going to start crocheting now. Scissors, cut it out. I'm going to start crocheting the front. Try to make sure you get the mouth of the hair, okay? Something like this. See, I'm crocheting going towards this way. Lock it. With this hair, you don't need to tie it that much. Once will be also enough. You can fold it, pass it this way. It's even more easier, okay? Where's your crochet hook? See guys, doing crochet hair is so easy, okay? If I can do this, you all can do this. then you close your crochet hook. Sometimes it's difficult like this one here, so I'm just going to use my fingers to put it inside, and you close. Once is enough. I'm trying to be also gentle on my edges, okay? I don't want them to get spoiled. Also, I close. You can push that in. If it's not working well, you use your finger, because sometimes it doesn't work the way one can, okay? I'm just trying by all means not to make it too tight. Don't want to have any. For this hair, I'm using only 6 bags, okay? I think 6 will be enough for me. I don't want my hair to be too much for. As you can see, this side is also a different kind of color, okay? The mouth here is so tight and coily, so that's why I try to open it like this for easy crocheting. Sometimes it's also difficult. Oh, this color is beautiful. I'm just going to go straight and finish the back. The back is not finished, okay? So I'm just going to crochet the rest of my back. I don't know if you can see it, but just to fill it up. I'm just using my hand to feel. Anywhere it's not enough, I fill it more. You see, like here, in this place, I also need to fill it more. It's just empty there. All this hair is getting bigger and bigger, and I don't like when my hair is that much big. Oh, it's so full, so much, so big. So I'm just going to arrange all of this off camera. So this is my final look. This is how my hair is looking like, and I'm loving it so much. It's finished. You see the color here. I have also another color, 2 colored inside, and This hair, you can do so many things with this hair, guys. You can carry this hair for long as you want. 3 months, 1 month, 2 months, depending on how much time you have, okay? I don't like to carry my hair that long. At least 1 month should be enough for me, and it will be enough. So I'm going to link to this hair for you guys. I bought this hair very cheap on AliExpress. I'm going to also link it for you guys. If you love the hair, you want to try it out, you can check it out, okay? This hairstyle is so simple to make. I just used 2 hours in finishing everything. I saved my money, I saved my time, and I'm looking so cute, so pretty with this hairstyle. I think you can also see and tell. So guys, thank you so much for your time, for watching, for your comments. Please don't forget to subscribe to this video, give me a like, okay? See you in my next video. Bye.